Well, when Donegan came from the States, himself and his daughter were seen parading the principal streets of beautiful Ballyporeen. Now her cheeks were as red as a rose, her hair was a beautiful brown, and the eyes, I suppose, were as thick now as crows, all tight in the tail of her gown. For there was long men and short men and weak men and strong men and right men and wrong men were all to be seen. But Donegan's daughter from over the water, she gave them no quarter in Ballyporeen. Well, she sang the most beautiful songs, of the words we had never a hint, for her fingers went hammer and tongs in a run and a company mint, like a dog running after a rat. Such scrimmaging never was held, till down went her claws like a murdering cat, as he leaps on the back of a bull. And at every party she sang them all 40, from the Killamorty to Wadden Green. And Donegan's daughter from over the water, 'twas little they taught her in Ballyporeen. Well, now the Garrities gave a big dance, the girls were all ribbons and shapes, but Miss Donegan gave them no chance with her perfectly wonderful shapes. And when she was taking the floor with a high step and bachelor by, the rest of us scowled in the doorway and growled that was him we would surely destroy. For there was kissing and squeezing and coaxing and teasing, and sure 'tis no reason such things should be seen. And Donegan's daughter from over the water, 'twas she made a slaughter in Ballyporeen. Well, coming home we were crossing a stream, I thought to be legal the bell, a struggle, a kiss and a scream, and into the river we fell. Now to me that can swim like a trout, sure 'twas only a trifling reverse, for when she came out, that there wasn't much doubt, she had changed very much for the worst. For her roses were wilted, her hair it was tilted, the figure she'd built it was washed away clean. And Donegan's daughter from under the water, 2 pins would have bought her in Ballyporeen.
Very well, Dick.